Alright. So the other plumber couldn't do it, eh?
We put the snake, the electrical snake, but he said there's something jammed inside. I couldn't pass 6 feet, he said.
Really?
I said, oh, okay. Now I'm wondering if there is like a backup, or that's, I mean the top, the other side. Is it back to back, or that's gonna be different?
I don't know. Is this back?
This is what I'm just wondering. Is that?
Well, because the elevators are here, right?
Yeah, but the washroom from the other suite is in the...
Do you want to go see?
This is what I was wondering yesterday.
Yeah, maybe go see just in case, because I'm not sure.
But the top, isn't the top and everything goes all the way to the toilet drain?
What? Sometimes it's back, like the tubs, drains have the 2 traps and I'm right there, and then they would tie in.
Okay,
So, yeah, go see what they say. Alright, you use the K39 from Rigid.
But if we have to go there, we'll just enter the apartment.
Okay, so we got movement running the sink. So we should be able to clear it through the sink. See the movement in the drain there?
Okay.
All right. Oh, sir.
Good?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna snake the sink here.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be the best way. Years of experience. You know, a lot of these plumbers, right? They would rather, like, not that they would rather, but they work more on pipe, right? They don't think, oh, well, is the thing connected, right? It's like, is it back to back, like you said, right? It's like, okay, as soon as you say is it back to back, it's like, okay, try the sink. Usually, in those situations, the sink is connected, and then it's like, so I'm just gonna wrap up here. That was everything in the drain. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out.